doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa es tu casa, and today I am going to talk about my favorite peel-off mask. I know you guys have a favorite peel-off mask that you guys use, so if you want to share with me what is your favorite peel-off mask in the comment box below, please do so. Maybe I can go and get a hint of it and try it myself. But until then, I want to show you one of my favorites from the ones that I have, which I showed you in a Walmart haul before. And this is the Diamond Glow Pillow Mask from Soy. And I'm just going to show you how I apply it. The way this mask looks after you put it on. Now you can see that it's not a thick layer. I just put a skinny layer on due to the fact that I was using my fingers. This is why it's important that you have like a foundation brush. I dedicate a foundation brush just for my pillow mask because it helps you you know, distribute it better. Now I couldn't find mine, so let's just bear with it. I'm talking kind of funny because another thing I like about this mask is the fact that it starts drying fast. So if I go out the directions in the back, it says you're supposed to have it on for a dry it out completely, as you guys can see. So now I'm making these faces to try to, you know, release it a little bit. And let's get the peeling going if I'm able to get in it. It doesn't hurt. It's nice and gentle. It's not like the black one. I got the black one. The black one does hurt when you pull it, but still, it you know, it does its job. It's very, very, very gentle. And if you notice, when I first came in the video, you notice the difference. You notice the difference? Like, you can see how clear my face is looking right now. Let's take the nose out. Oh, got a hair, got a hair. Yeah, got a hair. Make sure you don't get your hairs, people, especially in your nose. And yeah. And it's very easy to take out, very easy. Like, I want to show you too. Like, look. Like, all the dead skin it took off right there. Like, it's a very, very good pillow mask. And I'm telling you, I'm having problem right now to like take it off completely because, like I said, I put a nice thick layer over my face because I didn't have the foundation brush. But if I would have had the foundation brush and you do a thick layer of it, guys, oh my god, you will be in love with this. All right, I'm gonna finish taking these off and I'll be right back. So this is after I don't take out, well, almost take out all the face mask. This is how my face